Hi everyone, I'm Arush Randa, third year base marine engineering from TIMSAT Colleges. Today, I will discuss any new technologies that can aid in the compliance to marine environmental protection. The marine environment is a vital part of our planet, providing numerous ecosystem services and supporting a diverse range of species. However, human activities such as shipping, fishing, and coastal development have had a significant impact on the marine environment, leading to a pollution, habitat destruction, and biodiversity loss. To address these challenges, there is a growing need for effective measures to protect the marine environment and ensure compliance with the environmental regulations. In recent years, the new technologies have emerged that have a potential to enhance the marine environment protection. By providing real-time monitoring and data analysis and decision-making support, this term paper will discuss some of these new technologies, and there is a potential application in marine environmental protection. The first technology is the remote sensing technologies. Remote sensing technologies such as satellites, drones, and the autonomous underwater vehicles or EUVs have revolutionized the way we monitor the marine environment. These technologies can provide a high-resolution image and data of large areas of the ocean, allowing us to detect and track pollution. Then the monitor changes in sea level and the temperature and identify areas of high biodiversity. For example, the satellite can be used to detect oil spills. The monitor spread of harmful algal blooms and track the movement of ships. Drones can be used to conduct aerial surveys of coastal areas. The monitor fishing and the activities and detect illegal dumption. EUVs can be used to collect data on water quality, ocean currents, and the distribution of marine life. One of the key advantage of the remote sensing technologies is their ability to provide real-time data, which can be used to make informed decisions about the marine environmental protection. Then, for example, if a satellite detects an oil spill, the authorities can quickly respond by deploying cleanup teams and the resources. If a drone detects illegal fishing activities, the authorities can enforcement action to prevent further damage to the marine environmental protection. Then the remote sensing technologies can also be used to monitor the effectiveness of environmental protection measures, such as the implementation of marine protected areas and the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. The second technology is the big data and analytics. The increasing availability of data from remote sensing technologies as well as the other sources such as sensors and the monitoring stations has led to the emergence of big data analytics and marine environmental protection. The big data refers to large complex data sets that cannot be easily analyzed using traditional methods. The analytics refers to the use of statistical and computational techniques to extract insight and knowledge from data. The big data in analytics can be used to identify patterns and trends in marine environmental data, which can help us understand the causes and effects of our environmental problems and develop effective solutions. For example, by analyzing data on water quality, the ocean currents, and the distribution of marine life, we can identify areas that are most vulnerable to pollution and develop targeted protection measures. By analyzing data on shipping activities, we can identify areas of traffic high and develop strategies to reduce the risk of collisions and the oil spills. Big data and analytics can also be used to monitor the effectiveness of environmental protection measures over time, allowing us to make adjustment and improvement as needed. Then the next new technology is the Internet of Things or IoT. The Internet of Things refers to the network, physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and the other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity that enables these objects to connect and exchange data. In marine environmental protection, the Internet of Things can be used to monitor and control a wide range of devices systems, such as buoy sensors and pumps. For example, the IoT-enabled buoys can be used to monitor water quality, ocean currents, and the distribution of marine life in real time. These buoys can transmit data to a central server, then where it can be analyzed and used to make informed decisions about marine environmental protection. The Internet of Things enabled sensors can be used to monitor the emission of ships and other vessels, allowing authorities to enforce environmental regulation and reduce the impact of shipping on the marine environment. Internet of Things enabled pumps can be used to control of the flow of water in coastal areas, helping to prevent flooding and erosion. One of the key advantages of the Internet of Things is its ability to provide real-time data and control, which can help us respond quickly to environmental emergencies and take proactive measures to protect the marine environment. For example, if an IoT-enabled sensor detects a leak in a pipeline, the authorities can quickly shut off the flow of oil or gas and take steps to prevent further damage to the marine environment. If an Internet of Things enabled buoy detects a harmful algal bloom, the authorities can issue a warning to the public and take steps to prevent the spread of the bloom. The last technology is the blockchain technology. The blockchain technology is a decentralized, distributed ledger that allows for secure and transparent transaction without the need for a central authority. In marine environmental protection, the blockchain technology can be used to track the movement of goods and materials. Then it verifies the authenticity of products, and it ensures compliance with environmental regulations. For example, the blockchain technology can be used to track the origin and journey of seafood product, ensuring that they are source sustainability and compliance with environmental regulation. By using blockchain technology, the consumers can be confident that the seafoods they are purchasing is not contributing to overfishing or other environmental problems. The blockchain technology can also be used to track the movement of the hazardous materials such as oil and chemicals, ensuring that they are transported safely and the compliance with environmental regulations. Then the conclusion of this video, the new technologies have the potential to enhance the marine environment protection, compliance by providing real-time monitoring, data analysis, and the decision-making support. The remote sensing technologies big data and analytics, then the Internet of Things, and the blockchain technology are just a few of the technologies that are being developed and deployed to protect the marine environment. While these technologies offer many benefits, they also present some challenges such as the need for reliable data, the cost of implementation, and the need for regulatory frameworks to ensure the effective use to fully realize the potential of these technologies. It is essential that they are integrated into existing marine environmental protection and that they are used in conjunction with other measures such as education, awareness, and the enforcement. By working together, we can use new technologies to protect the marine environment and ensure sustainable future for generations to come.